Sensibility and practicality define the 2017 Nissan Pathfinder. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 6-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, an outside temperature display, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and more. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.